Okay, folks, we're here with the Solomons. Their Victory Red C6 one-of-one Roush Corvette, only one in the world. They are a WindRestrictor customer here, and we are going to hear what they have to say about the product. So what do you think about it so far?
It's fabulous. It really, it's made such a huge difference. I wear hearing aids, and having the top down and the wind blowing into the microphones of my hearing aids is so annoying, but this really stops that. Like, it's been phenomenal.
And for me, I talk a lot on the phone while I'm driving on the highway, and it's unbelievable that I can be doing 70 miles an hour down the highway with the windows up, roof down, and with the wind restrictor, I can talk hands-free on the phone and nobody says anything about the noise. It's wonderful.
That is awesome. I sure appreciate your feedback. And how about this Roush C6, guys? I can't believe this. Tell me just a brief story about it. This is one of one, you said, right?
Yeah, it was done by somebody that does research and development for Roush, and they did it, and we've had the car for about 7 years now with it like that, and it just runs like a dream. They added about just under 100 horsepower over stock, changed the heads, did some cam work, wonderful
Awesome.
Little additions.
Awesome. Well, it is looking phenomenal. Thank y'all for the testimonial. We appreciate your support, and happy trails to you.
Thank you.